This is video of Ambrane powerbank unboxing and details. This is Ambrane PP30 Pro powerbank at 1799 rupee, which has 27,000 mAh capacity. See product link in description. This is made in India product. This is USB Type A to Type C charging cable. This powerbank comes with carrying case. This has premium rubberized matte finish. There are two USB output of 3.0, micro USB for charging and a LED flashlight. This side has Type-C port for input as well as output. Here is LED charging indicators. This is power on-off button. Let's see some more details. This product chipset has 9-level protection as listed here. This powerbank weighs 520 grams, supports 18-watt fast charging, and has 6 months of warranty. Buy your powerbank from link given in description. Thanks for watching.